Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 every single day recording your voice, speaking your language or any other language you know how to speak fluently. This method works worldwide. All you need to make this method work is only your mobile phone that can record your voice. If you want more videos that will help you make money online, then subscribe to this channel and like this video. Ask me any question you have in the comment section below and tell me the video you want to watch next. Let's get started with the video. So in this video, you're going to go over to a website called Fiverr.com. If you get to Fiverr, you can see this person is getting paid $65 for reading just 100 words article. And this person is getting $30 for just 100-word article. This person $10 for 150. And if you go over to this place and click on this, you can see that for 500 words, number of words 500, this person can expect to earn $170 US. So what happens there is any language you know how to speak fluently. For example, if we go over to Fiverr, hover over to the way it says music and audio, click on voiceover. Let's wait for it to load a little. You can see that if you can speak English, German, French, Arabic, Italian, Spanish, and in fact, let's click on where it says view all so I can see that even your local language, someone on Fiverr is looking for who can speak it or make a voiceover for that and get paid like this $100 every single day online. So click on view all and you can see that if you can speak English, German, Arabic, Hindi, Italian, Dutch, Russian, Turkish, Polish, all these other languages. In fact, let me scroll down a little bit so you can see that even your local language, you can make money making a voiceover in it. Abalian, Nepali, Dal, and all these other languages, you can see them. You can make money online just by reading 100-word article, 200-word article. Even in Nigeria, where I'm coming from, if you can speak your local language, someone will pay you money just for doing that. So once you get here, you can see that if you can speak these languages, all you have to do is to create a gig on Fiverr, providing the service you can offer, making sure that you can speak those languages fluently, and you can make $100 every single day. And as you can see, this person is $65 for 100-word article. This person has sold for 398 times. And if I scroll down, you can see that there are many people making money online reading just 100-word article. This person is earning $60 for reading 100-word article, and this person has sold for 424 times. This person $50 for 100-word article, and she has sold for over 1,000 times. This person $50 for 250 words article, and this person has sold for 404 times. And if I scroll down, you can see that there are many people that are making money online doing just this simple voiceover Fiverr gig services. So create a Fiverr gig, and if you don't know how to create a Fiverr gig, I make a video before on how to create a correct Fiverr gig that can sell you and make you money online as soon as possible. Go to my YouTube channel right here and scroll down a little bit. If I scroll down a little bit, watch this video that says how to create your first gig on Fiverr.